Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about disc replacement on your Lemken high-speed discs, and we'll also do some stuff on Karat points. As we get into fall, guys are going to start to look at fall tillage, and we get the question asked quite often, how long can I go with my discs? Of course, that's a loaded question that you're going to have to use a little bit of intuition there and some feel at. We can give you the dimensions to use. So the discs normally start out at around 25 inches if you measure them with a tape measure. Currently, this used machine that we're standing in front of, those discs measure about 22 inches. So they're well on their way to being kaput. The idea behind it, you have to really watch, and you'll know your soil better than we ever will, is you have to watch how the machine is working in your dirt. Some operations, you can run that disc down to where the notches are completely gone. Where this disc came from, it's mostly working in sod, and these discs are probably about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch away from not doing a proper job anymore, because they're not driving in the sod anymore and doing a proper job of cutting up. So use your intuition there a little bit. When they're taken right down into the notch, they are at about 20 inches. That's probably as far as you want to go, because then you lose the drive on the disc, and there's nothing to push that around and keep it from plugging the gang. So use that as a guideline. If you have any questions, by all means, give the guys at the parts counter a call, or any of the staff at the dealership can help you out. And now we'll move to the Karat. So the Karat is quite simple compared to the disc. If it's doing the job that you want it to do as far as penetration, everything's good. There's really one main spot that you want to watch, and it's down on the bottom here where the point attaches. Once your point gets worn down to where you're starting to wear into that bottom edge, as long as your point is not wearing into that piece of material that the holder itself is being worn out, and that you're getting the penetration and the depth that you want out of the machine, that's really the only reason to change the points there. So look and see how far your points are worn down. If it's wearing into that holder, then it's probably time, or if you're having penetration issues with it. There's many different options. If you want something different than what you have, just feel free to talk to one of the sales guys or one of the parts guys, and we can help you out. Hopefully that worked for you. Thanks for watching.